Hey library friends, it's Miss Greener here to do a Valentine craft, and we will provide you with Model Magic clay, a paper doily shaped like a heart, some toothpicks to shape your clay and make holes in it, and one piece of ribbon. You will provide a smooth glass or a rolling pin, a pair of scissors, and a clean surface to work on. We used a cutting board. You want to warm up your clay in your hands, get it nice and malleable, and then you will roll it out to about 1/4 inch thick so that it's large enough for your paper doily. Now your doily is going to have a smooth side and a textured side because of the way that it's cut. Lay the textured side down into your clay and gently press it in, and then peel it off.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Okay. You will be left with an imprint of the heart. Now cut out this heart shape. Create a little hole near the top of your heart using a toothpick, and set it aside to dry for 24 to 48 hours. You will have some leftover clay. We use this to make tiny little sculptures. You can color your clay with any water-based paint or ink. We use regular old markers. You can also use food coloring. And once your clay is dry, you can thread your ribbon through the hole in your heart and tie the ends together so that you can hang your little Valentine. And even once the clay is dry, you can still color it with paint or ink, even just use a pen and write on it so that this can be a Valentine for someone special. Here's my someone special. And maybe you can make yours for your favorite librarian. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. We love and miss you and hope to see you soon.